So hello everyone, my name is Ben from Excel Sports Coaching. Today we're going to do a bit of tennis, some tennis skills that I would do as a warm-up at any age in primary school at the start of every tennis lesson. All you're going to need is a tennis racket and a tennis ball. First of all, we're going to start off with a tennis racket. It's going to learn how to hold it properly. I'm going to go into some games on handle skills as well. So first of all you're going to need to do, put the racket sideways, hold the handle with one hand like you're shaking someone's hand, just like that. So just practice that a couple of times. You can try it in both hands, work out which one your strongest hand will be, and then we'll get into some games. So the first game you're going to do, nice and simple, put the racket on the floor like this, you're going to let go and grab it, just like that. So you can do that a few times. Once you get good at that, you're going to add some claps in the middle as well. So you're going to let go, clap and catch it, and see how many catches you can do. Now once that gets easy and you think you've mastered that, you're going to add a spin in. Now this one's really hard, the hardest one for the handle skills. So you're going to add, try and catch it. It's quite difficult, even I can't do it. So, once you've had a few goes at that, I'm going to grab the ball, I'm going to go into some balancing. So, just put it on the racket, hold the racket with one hand or two hands. And I want your back of your hand to be facing the floor. Like that. I'm just going to stand still, hold it with two. If that's easy, just hold it with one. And then once you get good at that, you're going to walk around. And then after that you can run around as well. And then do it in the other hand. Just like that. After you've done the balances, you're going to do something called tap ups. So you're going to get the racket again, you put your back of your hand to the floor. So you're going to be tapping up like that. So a nice easy way to start is just drop on your racket and let it bounce, and then gradually as you get better at that, nice gentle tap ups. So just hold the racket at your waist, make sure you're looking at the ball, and don't hit it really high like that, you might lose control. Just nice gentle tap ups. And this is called bacon, because we're going to go into a game at the end, a challenge at the end, and this one is called bacon. After you've done tap ups like that, you're going to turn your hand over. So the back of your hand is facing the sky, tapping ups like that. And this is called sausage for the game later on. And then what you're going to do after that is you're going to add them both together. So you're going to do bacon and sausage. You're going to do two on each side if you want. And then go on to one each side. If you want to make it more challenging, you can walk around and do it. And then after that, you're going to add egg in as well. An egg is the edge of the racket, like that. Okay, so just do a couple of them, see how many you can do with them on their own, and then you're going to add them all together. So it's bacon, sausage, egg. So I think I did 8 there. So your challenge is to try and beat 8, and let me know how you get on in the comments, and thank you.